K&M Auto Glass, your local glass experts, serving Rochester and the southeastern Minnesota area since 1936. We specialize in auto glass repair and windshield replacement for cars, trucks, motorhomes, and farm tractors. We are locally owned and operated, insurance company approved, and ready to go to work for you. We offer free on-site mobile service at your home or work. Your satisfaction is always 100% guaranteed. We're members of the National Glass Association, PBG ProStars, and are AGRSS certified. Call K&M Glass today at 507-289-3261. You'll be glad you did.